In this video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a Toyota Yaris Sport. The bonnet release lever is located on the lower dash panel just below the steering wheel. Then pull the release latch upwards to release the bonnet. We follow normal procedure by disconnecting the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. You'll need a 10mm socket for this. Next we'll remove the brackets by starting with the nut at the front, and this is where the extended socket will come in quite handy. Then just loosen the nut at the back slightly and move the bracket out of the way. It's always a good idea to clean off any corrosion. I use a spray bottle with some baking soda and water. What also really works well is baking soda with hot water, as it neutralizes all the acid. And then we just use a steel wire brush to give us a nice clean connection. When installing the new battery, just make sure that you line up the posts correctly, positive with positive and negative with negative. And then we're going to start with tightening the bracket slightly. We're not going to tighten it fully down yet, as we might need to move the battery around a bit. When inserting the J-bolt, you're looking for a V groove at the bottom just below the battery tray. Just hook it in and secure the nut. When fitting the terminals, keep in mind that the posts are tapered, so it's always a good idea to use a screwdriver to open the ends of the terminal to push it down while tightening it. When tightening the terminals, be careful not to over-tighten them, as these strip quite easily. You want to tighten them up to the point where you can't move the terminal around with your hand anymore. We can now tighten the nuts on the bracket fully, and then just make sure that the battery can't move around. Then lastly, connect the negative terminal and just make sure that you push it down all the way to the bottom. If you'd like to know how to choose the correct battery for your vehicle, then go ahead and watch this one. I hope you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing. Until next time.